The latest player for Kumasi Asante Kotoko to have joined the race to sign him is Samuel Tenadu. Samuel Tenadu of Legon cities and cry in the course of the week. No deal way, a course behind the scenes. It was disagreement kakra. Say player no team no owner no be releasing and I say unreleasing. But say a kwemu yada hold. Say no official communique no yako Kumasi Asante Kotoko. From Kumasi Asante Kotoko N to Legon cities N. Na player no on the screen. So people say obo position ben sa Kotoko join any race to sign a player and I say or express interest be ana supporters ni busa say oje obo position ben player na you can see say waje man of the match for Legon cities or taking a prize for honum. Na Samuel Tenadu midfielder. Na midfielder no one say you will move difference kakra. You will defensive midfielder and you will winger and you will defensive center forward and I say no. You will the offensive midfielder, but Samuel Tenadu DM, which is defensive midfielder. Yes, into our lineup that screen so on the shed number 34 no for Legon cities. Yes, Legon cities lineup in the just ended Ghana Premier League no or 34 Samuel Tenadu do the position now just in front of the back four no and you place on the right side so inti obo more like minka se satamana Justice Blay on a prime no sa road ni bi no obo but regardless of that no so utimi ekonanim pa eko push for goals the statistics in your bad crowd in the Ghana Premier League or say about 3 or 4 goals and now more assist in ensuring say Legon cities for no it's me a grinding resource in the Ghana Premier League so Legon cities and a player and ball and then you raise say official expression of interest to Legon cities. Now, because the interesting days ahead, Ghana transfer window this Kotoko never player hope. Now say the likelihood of signing him high because players already no crop no person and Samuel Tenadu a player or Kumasi Asante Kotoko may very sure say a be farmer because of the style of play any ogum style of footballer tembiano or person or discharge onto the field for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ye who said they will be materialized.